is all you'll need to make some delicious almond truffles. Some chocolate, I've gone with white chocolate to match the almond colour. Some almond powder, almond flavouring, some double cream and some butter. First thing we're going to do is get your cream and your butter into a pan. Turn your heat on because we're going to boil it up. In there with some of your almond flavouring. And as I said, bring that to a boil. Once your cream mixture is boiling, you're going to break up your chocolate into a bowl and pour over your cream and butter and almond flavouring and get them mixed in until all your chocolate's melted. If you find it doesn't melt enough, just stick it in the microwave for 20 seconds. And then once all that's melted, you're going to put it in the fridge for a few hours and preferably overnight to set. When your mixture comes out the fridge, you'll find it's still pliable because white chocolate doesn't set as well as dark chocolate. So what we're going to do, you're going to get yourself an ice cube tray, or if you've got a more fancy one like I have, put them in there. I'm just going to fill them up and then they're going back in to the freezer for an hour just to set. When your truffles are frozen, time to put some chocolate into the microwave, melt that, add a little touch of cream, mix that in. Then you're going to drop your truffles in while they're still frozen, get them coated. Once they've got a good coating on, you're going to drop them into almond powder. And put them on a separate plate. Do that with all your truffle ice cube things, and then put them into the fridge so that the chocolate sets again, but also your truffle will defrost so it becomes lovely and creamy again. So you'll have a hard chocolate outer casing covered in almond powder and a lovely creamy almond truffle inside, and then see how long they last.